Hey folks, what's going on? Today I'm going to talk about Ripple. Ripple has had some crazy price movement since, when was that, 2 weeks ago? Yep, 2 weeks ago. And even just starting the 25th, it's currently the 29th. We've seen some insane growth. And I want to talk about why that's happening, why I think that's happening. But before I even look at Ripple, I actually want to start with Verge. Verge, and notice both these I'm looking at a dollar graph, by the way. So Verge to US dollar. And I'm looking at it this way because I want to show you guys this flat line. You know, when you zoom in, you can see this movement, but really it's flat line compared to what ended up happening. And in terms of US dollar valuation, we had some really, really insane movement, right? We had some up 2,000%, 3,000% at the top of this graph, and then finally descending in price action. And that was because of, it was because of a variety of things, but part of the reason being hype, McAfee, things like that. And when we talk about Ripple, we see this similar kind of flatlining. We see this similar, the price really not mattering. The difference is where we are right now is only at 600%. I know, only 670%, but we are only up 670%. We all are only around $2. Now, this is a lot lower than $2, and up here you can see it was much higher. But Verge also started at a different point. You can see it started a lot lower. And the fact is, Ripple's moving, and I think it still has a huge chance to grow. I'm using these just to technically compare, not fundamentally compare, because they are drastically different coins. You know, you have Verge is a privacy coin that's based off of decentralized blockchains, decentralized blockchain that is not searchable, so your wallet is protected. That's the point of these privacy coins. Even with Verge's recent scam, you know, whatever, that was the reason it went up, and I think the scam thing is why it's going down. But back to Ripple. Why are we seeing this massive price action? Well, as cryptocurrencies become more popular in the public domain, companies want to start using them. And that is what Ripple is, the world's only enterprise blockchain solution for global payments. Well, Ripple, what it really is a way for traditional fiat investors to get into the cryptocurrency world as kind of a hybrid. So here's an article I pulled up that I think is pretty important to read, and I will have the link in the description below. Why some claim Ripple isn't a real cryptocurrency, and the reason why, just to sum up the article for you, though I would suggest still reading it, is because Ripple is not actually a cryptocurrency, or at least in my definition. So it does not have miners that update a public ledger. It is a centralized rather than decentralized currency, which really matters. You know, when you think, or when I think cryptocurrency, I think decentralized. That's the core of a cryptocurrency. Nothing can happen because one user or a company says, let's do it. The movement happens because a group of people agree with it. And that's what you see in Bitcoin, that's what you see in Ethereum, Litecoin, all your other major movers. And Ripple, we can now see, let's just update this, but 87, okay, 83, still very high. It was a maximum of 87. That is up $30 billion from yesterday's video. Bitcoin's down 1 billion, Ethereum's down 1 billion, Bitcoin Cash is up 2, and Litecoin's up about 100 million, so basically nothing. But Ripple has huge gains. It's past Ethereum. So now we see Ripple above Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash. We see it approaching Bitcoin. I don't think it'll reach Bitcoin, but it's approaching it, and that is insane to me. If we look at it more closely, and the reason I'm using Kraken is I like to use whatever has the most volume. So I'm going to, I guess, switch to Bitstamp. But I'm going to zoom in here at the 15-minute view. So we're just going to watch it much more closely. And if you notice, the price action is curving upwards. It's not the price action isn't slowing down. So I think there's going to be a panic sell-off here because people are getting a little bit worried. But the fact of the matter is, we're just going up and up, up and up. Looking at it on the 1 hour again. Look at this. We have some crazy. Do I think we could see a pullback? Yeah, we could. This could be a pullback just like here. Right now, this could be a small pullback, just, right around here, and then back up. Or we could see it meet with maybe the 20-day or the 30-day, 20-day or the 30-day. Somewhere in this general area. And then we'll see some more upwards movement. But the fact is, now that cryptocurrency is becoming more popular and you see more traditional investors want to join the cryptocurrency world, the cryptosphere, as some call it, we're going to see currencies like Ripple that are this weird hybrid between blockchain and centralization, which are two complete opposites. But we're going to see this mixture start to really blossom, and that's why I think we're seeing Ripple's movement. I believe we are not close to done. I think we could see Ripple at multiple dollars. How many? I don't know. What time frame? Not sure. But I think if you want just long-term a hold a currency, I honestly don't think it's too late to buy into Ripple. Just because, again, I'm not a big fan of Ripple. I don't like that it's centralized. But, look at this growth. Look at this growth. This is what I posted in my video just yesterday. And we're already seeing insane growth since the spike that I called. Well, I also called this at Pure Investments on our Discord, or claimed the price was going to do this. So I really do suggest joining us at pureinvestments.org. Join our Discord, our free, and if you can, the premium community, because you'll get some insights on why I thought it was going to move up around. Well, I was predicting 30% and upwards of that if we pass through this white line, which we did. So I have just been telling people that I think it's a good hold because we hit a maximum of 47% here, which is crazy. And if people bought it all the way down there, as I said, my technical analysis suggested, we saw some really good price movement up to 90%, which is really quite incredible. And Ripple is getting popular in the public eye. If you just look up Ripple, which I think is quite important to do, you can see, we have things like this pop up. We have Ripple dethrones Ethereum, number 2. Ripple surges 50%. The news is now coming out. People are liking it. The website pops up first. It's actually rare for cryptocurrencies. There it is. CoinMarketCap, Reddit, soars, surges. We're seeing these buzzwords that are making it go up and up in valuation. And curious, 83, 82. So we are actually seeing a slight pullback here. But the fact is, look at that movement. We're still seeing massive upwards movement overall. Anyway, guys, I just want to keep you updated with what I think is going on with this crazy upwards movement. And thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Check us out at pureinvestments.org. Join the Discord. Check out the Reddit community, the Facebook community, the Twitter community. Anyway, guys, I'll see you guys next time.